Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I hope you like the intro to this video. I tried to make it as festive as possible for you guys, just to get you in the mood of Valentine's Day if you're going out with your friends or someone who you love. Also, this is my dog Lola. I love her with all my heart, so I decided to include her in my video. To start off this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Arbonne primer. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hands and tap it into the skin so that my foundation has a really good base to sit on. Using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory, I'm going to use my Real Techniques beauty sponge and apply this all over my face. Using my Maybelline Age concealer, I'm going to apply it to my chin, my under eyes, my forehead, nose, and I'm basically going to try to cover my dark circles and highlight at the same time. I'm also going to apply the concealer on my eyelids to act as a primer and just blend it out. Using a bit of Patrick's powder, I'm going to take it on my Real Techniques beauty sponge and just apply it onto the areas where I highlighted and concealed with my concealer. You don't want to apply too much of setting powder because it can dry out your skin. I'm going to use my NYX Wonder Stick to contour my face. This is a cream highlighter and contour stick. So first I'm going to use the contour side and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, jawline, nose, chin, and forehead. Using the highlighting side, I'm going to target the same areas. And next, I'm going to just take my beauty sponge and blend it out really well so that it looks seamless. To bronze up my face and add some more contour, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and I'm going to apply it on the same areas that I used the cream contour. Make sure that when you do use the powder that you start off small and build the intensity. Using my Sephora colorful blush, I'm going to take a little bit and apply it to my cheeks just to add a pop of color. And using the same contour palette, I'm just going to use the lightest shade to brighten up my under eyes. Using the Morphe 350 Nature Glow palette, I'm going to take this shade and run it on my crease as a transition shade. We are going to be using other shades, so I thought to start off with a lighter shade just so I can build up the colors as we go. Next, I'm going to take a slightly darker brown shade and I'm going to run it on top of the first shade we used using a different brush. This third shade is the darkest of the three, and I'm going to use a more precise brush and go in the crease as well and just build up the color. I'm going to take the first brush I used and just blend out all the shadows together because I don't want any harsh lines. I'm going to be taking these two dark browns, mixing them together, and just packing these two eyeshadows on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to try to really make a V. And I'm just going to keep intensifying the color until it's the shade that I want it to be. So for the next step, we're basically going to do what we did on the top lid and we're going to mimic it on the bottom lash line. So you're going to take the first shade we used, then the second shade we used, the third shade, and then we're going to use the two dark shades together to apply it to the bottom lash line. It's also a really good idea to start your eyeshadow first instead of your face makeup, just in case there's a lot of fallout, especially when you're applying glitter. Unfortunately, I made the mistake of putting my face makeup on first today, but in the end there wasn't any fallout, so I was fine. Next, I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm going to apply some on a very precise brush so that I can get into the crease very easily. And what this does is it acts as a glue so that you can apply glitter on top. And unfortunately, while I was applying the glitter, I thought my camera was recording, but it turns out that it wasn't. So I just continued, I went on with it, and I put some winged liner, and now I'm just applying some Buxom mascara, because next I'm going to be applying some false lashes. Lastly, I wanted to add a bold lip, so I chose the color red. So you guys, that's the end of my Valentine's Day tutorial. I hope you liked it. It's a lot more bold than the first one that I posted. The other one is a lot more simple. It's easier to do. If you don't like a bold lip, you can always replace this with a gloss or a pink lip. It's really up to you, whatever you feel comfortable in. I'm gonna go now so I can stuff my face with a whole box of chocolate. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to know every time I post a video, hit the notification bell and you'll be notified right away. Have a great Valentine's Day. All clear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my... It always turns into a mess, doesn't it?